Oh, wait, I need to take up two graphics because this game is.
Hi guys, so today we are playing crazy with my best friend Aki. Say hello, Aki.
Yeah, and also,
Also,
about Daniel broke my heart, but I'll believe it soon, right?
yeah, but also guys, me and Aki are friends again. But wait, make sure subscribe to our channel, me and Aki, and I will put it and I will put my my channel link in the description in the comments, and Aki will send his too. And also, you notice that I made this full tron bike, guys. Oh wait, I forgot to put seats.
I need wait. And also, with many subscribers, please subscribe.
Yeah, I don't have any subscribers, guys, because
Everyone,
I have only 2 subscribers and Aki has 20 subscribers.
he has to but I subscribe to.
Yeah, and my friend subscribed to me, William. Come on, sit. Guys, if you want to join us, I will send the link. Make sure friend us. Yeah, and I will put a tutorial to how to make this Voltron bike. It was made by this is actually made by I forgot what name is it. And I will put the link to how to make this Voltron bike. I did a tutorial. I didn't even make this by myself. Bro, you can literally make this. It takes like it only takes, guys, you can only make this in 1 minute. Cause this is fast. This is actually a Tesla. Ah! Yeah, the science. You can, but also guys, you can choose, you, but guys, you can choose any color of the trail. You can pick any color in here. You can choose black, red, cyan, blue.
Can you do good? Can you do red? Can you
Sure,
do red?
sure.
Yeah, I really like that color and sign.
Only in the fronts, okay? I'll put red in the fronts. Is it okay if I put red in the fronts?
Alright, front and back.
Yeah, front and back. This is cool, guys! It looks better now, guys. It looks better.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's very cool. And this is actually legendary. You cannot even find this yet. This is actually legendary.
No, you literally just let me go.
Also, guys, I literally got this one. You can get this for free. I don't have any Robux, Just go to settings, get the just click parachute key, just click P. I cannot even buy it.
I'm trying to deploy the parachute there.
No, don't! Bro, you're going to die. But also, guys, I'll save this. Watch on like.
Wait, look at underneath. Wait, there's magma. There's literally magma underneath the void.
P. What the?
Look.
Oh, that's how they make the speed. That's how they make the speed. I can literally save myself. Hey, yo! Someone is making something! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, 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 hey! But this is actually hard to control, guys. Yeah. No, no! But it's really hard because you cannot even stop. Come on, get in. No! What is happening to my Voltron bike?
But I couldn't sit on the drive. Oh my god.
What the? What the? No! I'm Gigante from Turbo.
You mean gigabyte? Gigabyte.
Also, guys, we live in the Philippines. Guys, tell us your country so we can visit your countries.
Don't visit some strangers. My mom.
No, I'm going to visit
Oh my god.
Preston. But also, guys, in Twitter,
Oh my god.
in Twitter, in Pet Simulator X, the owner in Pet Simulator X, Preston, just showed his abs. Hey yo, what is this guy building, guys? Oh, TNT? No, it's not.
I realized it's a fire jet.
But guys, this circle is really hard to make. But I forgot. But guys, I'll now make a tutorial. Guys, I'll now make a tutorial. Now I'll make a tutorial, guys. I'll mute. But also, guys, I think I forgot how to make this. No! I think I can know now. Now we get blocks. Make it to 5.
Play
5.
on the wheel. Oh wait, I'm really bored, but I'll just stay with
Make sure you put 5 of these blocks.
It's all white. It is hurting my eyes, bro. I hate white because it hurts my eyes, bro.
Wait, I think I forgot. How about later, guys? Now, this is it for our channel. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Now, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!